What's up mga kuya? Welcome back to the channel. So today what I have with me is the Razer Seiren Mini, ang aking gagamiting main mic for siguro sa lahat ng content na gagawin ko, like streaming, of course recording my videos, and kung ano pa maisipan kong content. Ngayon medyo price itong mic na to at around $50 or 2,500 pesos here in the Philippines, pero nabili ko to for only 2,300 o mga 2,400 dito sa shop na to. So this will be an unboxing and quick review of the Razer Seiren Mini. Ngayon siguro for most people this might be a bit pricey, pero ang binabala ko talaga kasing bilhin na mic is itong Maono, nakalimutan ko yung model name, basta ito siya for the same price of the Razer Seiren Mini. Ayun, pareho lang sila na condenser microphone, USB powered, and ayun, pareho lang sila nakamount sa parang mini monopod na to. Although medyo mas malaki to syempre. And yes, nakapanood na ako ng review na ito mga kuya. And ang ganda ng sound quality talaga. I mean, kung ganun pera na din yung gagastusin mo, then why not go for this, diba? So, nakalagay sa box is ultra precise cardioid pickup pattern, professional recording quality, ultra compact build. Again, makikita nyo kung ganong kalit nga to. Ang cute niya. Streamer certified XSplit broadcaster, open OBS na lang. And sa likod, we have ultra precise super cardioid pickup pattern that reduces unwanted noise, ultra compact build for a portable streamlined setup, plug and play with USB, very nice. Professional recording quality for crystal clear vocals, shock resistant with an inbuilt shock mount that dampens vibrations, heavy duty tilting stand for stable and optimal mic positioning. And this actually comes with 3 color options: black, which is the one that I have, mercury, which is basically white, and quartz, which is, well, pink. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. And ang maganda nga ngayon mga kuya is besides sa nag-iisang Razer product ko, which is the Razer Viper 8K, is ayun, meron pa akong isa pang Razer product na hindi ko ini-imagine sarili ko na magkakaroon. Nahihiwa ba? Okay, it's time to get seen and be heard. Ayan, mababasa nyo naman yan eh. Ayan. User guide or instruction manual na malamang hindi ko din naman babasahin. Pero, ayan, may stickers nga tayo ni Razer. We have the base, the mic itself. Like, kita nyo naman mga kuya. Halos, hindi naman kalahating dangkal pero mas malaki sa kalahating dangkal. And we have the USB. Ay, nako mga kuya. Micro USB pa din. Ayan, meron pa tayong, ito tayong parang neck niya, or ayun, basta yun. And wala nang ibang nasa loob ng kahon. Alam ko around 2019 nata na-release tong Razer Seiren Mini, which is mainstream na talaga yung USB Type-C. So, hindi ko alam kung ginagawa na Razer doon, pero ayun, hindi naman siya necessarily braided na cable, pero feels durable, and yeah. And here we have the base. Okay, it's plastic and it has a non-slip base. And here we have the mic itself. So, kita nyo naman mga kuya. So cute. We have the Razer logo here. Not sure if you can see that. There. LED indicator and no switches, no knobs for gains, the volume, or even a headphone jack for audio monitoring. Just straightforward streaming, recording, although you might need to look at other microphones in the market if you're looking for a headphone jack for audio monitoring, since this doesn't have one. And yun talaga gusto ko dito eh. Simple, straightforward. Just screw this in here. Actually, kung gusto nyo, pwede nyo din tong i-mount sa boom arm if yun yung mas trip nyo. And yung base nga pala. And ganyan nga siya mga kuya. And pagdating sa... Actually, unang hinawakan ko yung mic, akala ko parang metal body to. Pero hindi. Plastic lang siya, apparently. Pero super built well and it doesn't feel cheap. Although, yeah, kahit na plastic siya, it doesn't feel cheap. Ewan ko paano papaliwanag yan, basta yun. And ang maganda nga dito is pwede nyong i-tilt yung mic sa direction ng, well, bibig nyo. For example, nasa desk nyo, then nakatilt siya dyan, and yan, super compact. Okay, so I'm just gonna set this up real quick and give you guys a sound recording test. So, okay, so parang may ano na siya dito. Ayun, so may slit na siya doon. So, hindi na kayo mahirapan na i-plug in. Sabihin ko sana ipasok pero ayun, sinabi ko pa din. And plug the other end to my PC. And we have a green LED. And there we have the Razer Seiren Mini up and running. So I have the microphone level set to 100 and let's test this out.
Sound test.
Hello, mic test, sound check. So this is the audio coming out of the Razer Seiren Mini, no edits and completely untouched. And right now the distance from the mic to my mouth is about 1 feet. And right now the Razer Seiren Mini is about 2 feet from my mouth. And right now, the Razer Seiren Mini is about 3 feet from my mouth. And ayun nga mga kuya, sobrang gandang quality nga ng audio that's coming out of the Razer Seiren Mini. And siguro yung narinig nyo na lang na konting ambient noise is from my air conditioner right now. And kung napansin nyo pala, iba ulit yung setup natin ngayon. Bibigyan ko siguro kayo ng bagong room tour since, ayun, may sarili na akong kwarto ngayon na may kama, mga cabinet, ganon. Kasi naalala nyo naman is dati doon, yung parang mini office ko is may sofa lang doon, tapos ayun, wala akong mga damit, yung mga iba't ibang gamit ko wala doon. And moving forward, ito na nga yung microphone na gagamitin ko for streaming, for recording my videos, hopefully. Yeah, that's gonna do it for my unboxing and quick review on the Razer Seiren Mini. Sobrang sulit para sa akin since ang daming mga hindi kilalang brand. Although maganda din yung sound quality na in-offer nila dun sa microphones nila, sobrang straightforward lang gamitin, ang compact niya. And good news nga is yung wind filter na kasama dun sa BM800 ko is kasya dito sa Razer Seiren Mini. Although medyo tight siya, pababa. Ayun, siguro kung electric fan yung gamit nyo, na which is gamit ko din, although naka-easy nga ngayon since sobrang init kapag nagre-record ako, lalo na may nakatapat sa akin na studio light ngayon. And yun nga pala, siguro bibigyan ko kayo ng quick test kapag may nakatapat na electric fan dito, and of course wala tong wind filter. And now this is the audio test for the Razer Seiren Mini with a fan to my right, about 5 feet away from the microphone. And yeah, this is how it sounds right now. And right now, this is how the Razer Seiren Mini sounds with the fan still 5 feet away from it. And yeah, that's gonna do it for my unboxing and review of the Razer Seiren Mini mga kuya. Para sa akin, sulit na sulit to for the price. Sound quality, panalong panalo. Build quality, siguro A minus ganon. Plastic pa din pero solid yung pagka-build sa kanya. Again, you can mount this to a boom arm if you want. Plug and play lang siya. And yeah, 2 thumbs up para sa akin. Of course, if you guys want to buy this, then I'll leave the links in the description. Easily recommended sa mga streamers, of course, YouTubers alike, and podcasts if you do that. And yeah, of course, ang pinakamadaling para supportahan yung channel mga kuya is mag-like kayo, tadtarin nyo, of course. Walang sense kung tatadtarin nyo yung like button, pero consider subscribing kung gusto nyo yung content ko, and turn on notifications for all para maging updated kayo sa lahat ng videos ko. As always, stay safe mga kuya, and if hindi pa kayo vaccinated, pabaksin na kayo. Please lang po. Ang hirap magkasakit, and lalo na magko-COVID, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
In the stool,